Good evening, everybody. Thank you for joining. Sunil here. Can you hear me? Please confirm in the chat box. Thank you for your responses. Thank you for your responses. Let's stop the chat. What's the plan for today? The most important topic, VPC. We'll understand the concept of subnet. What is subnet? How to create a subnet? We'll learn practically how to create a VPC and how to create a subnet. And there are two types of subnets, public subnet and private subnet. Okay. So we'll have a discussion about this. So this is our plan for our today's session. So before getting into the concepts, as usual, interaction. Giri, yes, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, sir.
Your question.
No, I just want to say thanks. I mean, this was very good.
Okay.
It was very good.
Thank you, Giri.
And your efforts are very good. Actually.
Thank you, Giri. May I know your experience?
I have 10 plus years of experience.
Okay. In which platform?
On mainframes.
Okay, mainframes. Okay, okay. Now you're planning to switch, Giri?
Yes, yes.
As mainframes is becoming legacy, it's important for us to switch.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope you'll have a wonderful switching experience to AWS and DevOps. Are you learning DevOps also, Giri?
No, I haven't joined yet. Probably I can join for the next day.
Okay, once this is completed.
Yes.
Thank you, Giri.
Yes, thanks a lot.
Vignesh.
Hi Sunil, Vignesh here.
I think you're raising your hand since many days. And
Since from the day one, Sunil.
oh my God.
Okay. Like I'll get a chance to talk, but still like.
This is the first time we are interacting, Vignesh?
Yep, Sunil, this is the first time.
Oh God. So how is your experience?
Yep, Sunil, it's going good and I'm just revising everything.
Good.
Sunil, just one thing I need to know. Can you take this session as a separately for paid one?
Paid one in the sense AWS course.
AWS, yep.
Why?
Because like I have so many doubts in this and like it's highly impossible like to manage all the 3,000. Okay. So it's like how the session is like I am recalling my school days back. So it's like spoon feeding, right? So same way that is here, like I didn't see in my college days. And yep, like it's amazing.
Thank you. Yes, thank you. As of now, there's no paid course as such. In case it is there, you'll get updates.
Please, Sunil, because I have inquired 2 to 3 courses, but still I have not joined. But I'm fixed, like I have to join here itself. So please let me know.
You already have inquired in other institutes, right?
Yep, I've already inquired and I've seen some of their videos, but I'm not like compromised with that.
Okay.
This is like I'm attending and like it's good, like so it's like spoon feeding where like how I like means like for me like 2 to 3 times of explanation only will go into my head. So that's like, and I'm into a help desk.
Okay.
So I need to switch to AWS.
Okay. Good, Vignesh. All the best for your career.
Thanks, Sunil.
Okay. You are also from Hyderabad?
I'm from Bangalore, Sunil.
Bangalore.
Yep.
Work from home, Vignesh?
Yep, Sunil. I'm working from home.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Many people are raising their hands. Shall we have purely interaction session this one, Vignesh? What do you think?
Yep, Sunil. Yep.
Probably many are raising their hands. Just need your suggestion. Shall we have completely, rather than going into technical, shall we have interaction with the concept, whatever we handle?
Because like even others will have doubts.
Others will also be very happy interacting.
Yes.
Okay, so my dear friends, let's have a complete interaction. We'll not discuss about VPC. This session is purely on interaction session. Okay, thank you, Vignesh, for your inputs. So this time, in such case, the hands are raising. Okay, we have to give equal priority to all the participants. So let's click complete all the participants who are raising their hands. Arun Tankala.
Hi, Sunil.
Yeah, Arun.
Good evening. How are you?
Good evening, Arun. Tell me, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
How is your
Okay.
career going on?
Career is a kind of okay, where I am looking kind
How
of
many
switch
years?
to the new
How
environment.
many years of experience you're having, Arjun?
I'm close to 15 years.
Oh my God.
So this is where I feel like, given the current emerging technologies. So
What is
we
your
have,
current technology? The previous experience you're having on which platform?
I meant the application and production support. So it's
Okay.
kind of you will deal with all the technologies, right? It's not like one.
Operations team on a high level.
Right, yeah, and basically with that, and we have to interact with the business stakeholders.
Have you heard about CDK Global?
CDK, no, I didn't.
Hyderabad-based company. They are also into this kind of business. I have provided corporate training to CDK Global also.
Wow,
Yes,
great.
yeah.
Yeah. So that's where I was just thinking about switching.
Good, Arun. You are from operations team. As of now, we cannot go to developer track. Arun, isn't it? Because your previous
Correct.
experience is not to non-development.
Right.
So AWS and DevOps is the right track which you need to target on. Okay.
Okay. So now, given given this set of experience, right, where exactly, what sort of role, if we go into the AWS, what can fit in, where I can fit in is what I'm just juggling.
As a DevOps engineer, you have to. As of now, you're learning only AWS, isn't it, Arun? You have not started.
Yeah.
You have not started DevOps, right? The
No,
AWS
no.
is only about, again, if you go to AWS, okay, it's an advantage. It's an infrastructure support again. Okay, so again, you want to move on to DevOps also. Okay, that's good. As a
Okay.
DevOps engineer, you will be implementing automation in the software development cycle. That will be a wonderful experience in your career. Arun.
Right, but yeah, when you come into the DevOps, right, I too heard there are multiple things. Is it we should be knowing everything kind of?
Yeah,
Jenkins
minimum 5 to 6
Docker?
tools. 5 to 6 tools you have to have hands on. Okay, all the tools will be covering as part of training. Arun?
Okay.
Okay.
One last thing.
Yeah.
So when this AWS we are learning, right? I mean, we know that we are getting into the practical thing, and it's very good. Just to understand what kind of learning is required when we wanted to attend for an interview. Is it kind of a commands or only the technical?
No, whatever we are learning, everything should be perfect. In fact, more than this, Arun. Okay. If you are going for solutions architect role, this is enough. Okay. So whatever we are learning, every service we should client expects every service should have an exposure. So that's the reason we are covering these many number of services.
Okay, but not into the neighbor of commands and something. Even I was looking for every command, or commands keep on coming.
Keep on coming. So there is no end for it. There are thousands of
Correct.
commands. Okay, we should be in a position to understand the conceptual knowledge, and if required, look at the documentation and implement it. That's it.
Okay, yeah, that should be helpful.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Akil Akhtar.
Good evening, sir.
How are you doing, Akil?
I'm doing good, sir. Finally, I got my chance to talk to you.
That's the reason I thought today we'll have an interaction for some of the participants who are literally pinging me on WhatsApp many times asking that.
Yeah, exactly. Sir, I have few questions. To ask.
You're from Chennai, Tamil Nadu?
No. I'm from Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. Okay.
Yeah. Actually, I came to know about you from one of my friend. She already have taken the classes from you, both the AWS and DevOps. But for this class, I came to know about from my brother's friend.
Okay.
I'm
he's working in IT industry. Your brother's friend.
Yeah, he's already working in DevOps.
He recommended you.
Yeah, actually, I belongs to mechanical. But he suggested me and tell me about this industry. So I mean, now the way you are teaching, I got interested and I'm excited. And the way you
now you are confident, right? You can move.
Yeah, I'm feeling so quite confident. Yeah. So I have few questions, sir.
Yes, Akil.
Yes, there's. So can we create a bucket inside a bucket, already created bucket?
No, not possible. In the bucket, we can create folders. Okay, if you want. Bucket inside a bucket is not possible.
Yeah. Okay. One more question is that how many IAM users can be
unlimited
in AWS kids? Unlimited. There is no limit for that.
Generally, no limit. Generally, how many users you think? How many clients will have 1,000? Maximum 1,000 people who are making biggest client will have 1,000 infrastructure. 1,000 IAM users. Okay.
So one more question is that.
Looks like a rapid fire round, Akil.
Only three last questions. It's just last question. In AMI, you say that Amazon machine image. Yeah. We know that the root volume already have a snapshot.
Root volume will not have snapshot. Whenever you
move it is default.
No. Oh yeah, you're talking about the volume. Okay, root volume will
Yeah.
have the snapshot. That's how we'll identify which one is the root volume and which one is an EBS volume.
Yeah, EBS we have to create the snapshot, but in the root
The root
volume
volume by default it will have
we
snapshot.
have. So can we use that snapshot to create another EC2 instance in another region?
Yeah,
That
you can
root
do
volume?
that. You can do that. Okay, but that snapshot is a default snapshot. That will not be available in the snapshots dashboard. Have you observed, Akil?
Yeah. So that's
Snapshot
what
will
I
not
was
be
having
available in the
doubt.
snapshot. You have to exclusively create. That's a default snapshot, automatic snapshot. So you have to create snapshot by yourself.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
Akil.
Okay,
All the
sir.
best. Okay. We should
Okay,
get success
thank you.
story, Akil. Okay, stay
Sure.
focused. Okay. We
Thank
have
you.
to
Thank you,
stay
sir.
focused and then learn both the courses. Which one? AWS
Yes.
and then DevOps.
I'm
Started with
I'm
AWS.
trying my best. I'm
Okay.
trying my best. Okay, thank you.
Okay, all the best. Okay. Arjun B.
Yeah, hi Sunil.
Hi, Arjun.
Yeah, thanks for selecting.
Thank you,
picking
Arjun.
the- yeah, actually, I have overall 7 years of experience. I'm working with SAP Basis Consultant as a
That's a very good
specialty.
platform. SAP basis. Yeah.
Yeah, with HANA.
Wow. Very good exposure. Any
Yeah, I just
specific reason why are you learning AWS now?
yeah, that's what like no specific reason. I just want to, I mean, explore the things like maybe in future the
You may
applications are
never
there.
know when. As
Yeah,
I told you, I think
maybe.
Arjun, I already have mentioned this point. SAP has signed up with AWS. Do you know that? Huh? SAP infrastructure can run on AWS now. Okay. Okay. So do you know that, Arjun?
Yeah, it's going to be, I mean, going to be cloud for
It's not going to
next.
be. It's already done. Clients can now move to SAP on AWS. Okay. AWS for SAP. Seamless AWS integration to SAP applications. Okay.
Okay.
So no on-premises infrastructure. Okay. So
Okay.
Arjun, the clients used to maintain their servers on their infrastructure, right, Arjun?
Yes.
Now it's not the case.
So
It can be moved to cloud.
yeah, so my question is, so is it, I mean, is it enough to learn AWS or do I need to go for DevOps also for my, I mean,
If you
career
want
growth
to
or
stick, if you want to stick to AWS, sorry, if you want to stick to SAP, then AWS is enough. Okay.
okay.
DevOps is not required. If you want to switch from SAP because you are already in HANA is, I think, to my knowledge, it's very good. Okay, latest technology,
Yes,
which is
sure.
having high, good in demand and good space scale also. So better, as you are in very good technology, stick to the technology. Learning AWS is right track and DevOps is optional for you. Okay.
Okay. If suppose I want to switch my total career to like
Then DevOps. As of now.
yeah. I have overall 7 years experience, right? Then how can, I
Yes.
mean, which way, which
You
learning?
have to put 3 years of experience in AWS and DevOps. Okay, totals out of 7 years, put 3 years of experience in AWS and DevOps, and remaining 4 years of experience you can put it in your actual SAP. Okay,
Okay,
so that's
okay,
how you can do that. Arjun,
okay,
okay,
Sunil.
thank you.
Thank you
Good,
so
good.
much.
We should be, good that you want to learn latest technologies, irrespective whether it is useful or not. Learning is always a good exposure. You may never know which skill set will help us, isn't it, in getting a break or whatever we want.
Yes, Sunil.
Could
Yes,
be
you
in
are
an
correct.
on-site offer or whatever it is. You may never know. Our profile will be picked up because of one specific skill. It will do the magic. And especially
Yeah.
AWS is doing good in the market. And AWS is such a skill set, Arjun. You may be from SAP industry. You may be a Java developer, Python developer, Linux administrator, SAN administrator. You may be any role. If you add AWS gels with any skill set, okay, because something that is used by everybody in the client, isn't it? Okay, so that's
Okay.
common. That's how common is future. In future, having cloud exposure should be is something will be common for every software profile resource. That will be the future. Thank you,
Okay.
Arjun. Thank you. I'm
Thank you so
happy
much,
to talk to
Sunil.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Anuradha. Yeah, I can see your hand raise, Anuradha.
Yeah, hi Sunil.
Yes. How are you doing?
Yeah, good Sunil.
Yes, your question.
Yeah, I didn't say anything. Means your way of teaching is very good. Mm,
Okay,
mhm.
good. Any technical question, Anuradha?
Um,
No.
means
How is your
what,
practice going on?
I didn't. I don't have any time.
Okay.
In my experience, I used web services. At the
Mm.
time, I think it is only web services. I
Mm.
picked that and I use it. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
I don't.
How many years of experience you are having in which platform?
I worked as a PHP developer
Okay.
as nearly 6 years experience.
Very good. So how is your learning AWS? How you are feeling confident?
Yeah, it's good. I know this, but I don't know that much of means deep knowledge in that.
Okay. Learn DevOps also. You can switch to AWS and DevOps from PHP if you're
I
planning
don't.
to.
Yeah. Means I have one doubt. Shall I learn simultaneously?
It's up to you, but you have to do hands-on, and practice is important. And anyways, AWS, this is day, how many days? This is day, which day it is? Today
I think
is
nearly.
14.
Yeah.
Our sessions will be close to 20 to 20. So one more week, 7 days probably. Okay, Anuradha, we'll complete it. So you can join DevOps to save time if you want to. Okay.
Can you please briefly explain what is DevOps? I
That
don't
we'll
know.
discuss. That we'll discuss in the DevOps course. If you want, you can get the demo session on the YouTube channel so that you'll understand what is DevOps. Okay, I have already clearly explained about 1 hour on DevOps. Okay, Anuradha.
Okay.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you very much. Not sure what to talk, Vinayaka. Vinayak.
Yeah, hi Sunil.
Hi, Vinayak.
Yeah, finally I got chance to talk.
Thank you, Vinayak.
Yeah.
Tell me, what do you want to tell me? We are all here
So,
to listen to you.
yeah, I have two questions regarding last section on that IAM role.
Okay.
So
especially roles concept, right?
Yeah, roles concept.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you said that we can assign that role to
EC2.
VM. Yeah, EC2 machine.
Trusted entity was EC2. Do you remember? Isn't it, Vinayak? So that's the reason we have role source. We have mentioned it as EC2.
Yeah. So for particular EC2 machine, we have assigned that role. So I think we can assign that, means we can
multiple EC2 machines.
Yeah, not multiple machines, EC2 machines. I'm talking about that if I want to restrict someone to create any some resources in particular region.
What do you mean by that? No, role is not specific to users.
Okay.
That's first clear. Okay. You cannot restrict users by taking the concept of roles.
Okay.
That's it. Okay.
Okay. And second thing is if I lost that key pair.
You can recover it. Okay. There's one more turnaround solution. I'll show you how I'll tell you right now how to recover the key pair in case if it is lost. Assuming you have an EC2 machine, Vinayaka.
Okay.
There's one more turnaround solution. Just as you have asked, you have created one EC2 machine. You have used it, and now the key pair is lost. Okay, what you can do, you can create a AMI of this machine, right? Agree? You can create an AMI.
Yes.
Once the AMI is ready, using this AMI, can you create one more EC2 machine?
Yes.
That will be the duplicate copy, as is replica. Is it?
Yes.
And when you using an AMI, when you create an EC2 machine, at the last it will ask you to download a key pair once you complete the 7-step process, isn't it, Vinayaka? Okay. Right. So you'll have that key pair. Now your key pair is ready. Using that key pair, you can connect to that particular EC2 machine. Okay. And you can remove this. This is a turnaround solution. There's one solution where in case the key pair is lost. Okay. Okay, Vinayaka.
Okay. And if this is the lengthy process. If
no, it's not lengthy. Machine, it's easy. In fact.
Yeah. Okay. If it is a production machine and if I need to recover immediately,
there are it's a role of an AWS administrator to recover the key pair. There's a 7 or 8 steps process you need to follow, okay, to recover the key pair. I have some documentation. I'll share it in the group.
Okay,
if you want to recover. So don't, but recover, generally keeper losing will not happen in the real time. Okay, it will be safe.
Yeah, I saw that there is an option keep pair, but I can't download that. I can import, but I can download existing keep pair.
Yes. You can see those key pairs that's in the list, whatever you have created. Okay.
And also saw one option that they in Google that they said that we have to create another machine, attach that EBS or root volume to that machine.
That's what I have shown it, right? Same, creating an AMI, whatever I have explained, something similar to what you have seen it. Okay. Okay. Creating a duplicate machine, and then you end up creating a new EMI, a new AM, a new keep it. Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. My God. How can we speak with these many number of people? Vinesh Shah.
Hey, hi Sunil, how are you?
I'm doing good, Vinesh. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your weekend plans?
Nothing.
Nothing. No plans?
No plans. So, Sunil, first of all, let me tell you, I've been through multiple trainings for different products, but you're one of those few people who know how to deliver training. There are so-called experts, but they don't know how to explain things in simple language.
Okay. Yeah.
So it's good
Thank
thing.
you. Thank you.
Till now, AWS seems very easy. I was afraid that should I go for AWS or not.
Okay.
I'm from Windows background.
Okay.
And
Windows administration.
Yeah. And
how many years of experience, Vinesh, you are having?
6 years of experience.
Okay. And you're from Bangalore?
No, I'm from Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay.
So
good. This is the first time you're learning AWS.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good. How do you happen to know this training?
Some of my friends told me about you.
Okay.
So my question is, since I am from Windows background, and I have some experience in Azure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So something similar. Both our concepts are similar, isn't it, Vinesh? The terminology, user interface changes, but concepts remain the same.
So one of the biggest fear system admins have is, should we go for AWS and DevOps? Because in order to learn AWS, we'll have to learn Linux. We are leaving Windows behind.
Yeah.
We'll go into DevOps. We are leaving our system admin profile behind. So it's kind of scary thought. You're like changing you're going into a different career altogether.
Thank you, Vinesh. Happy to talk to you.
So should I do that or not, sir? That's my doubt. DevOps.
No. For DevOps, we should know only 10% of Linux, Vinesh. You don't need to be a Linux administrator. First point. Okay. So having your Windows administration experience will definitely add value in DevOps also. Okay, Vinesh.
Yeah.
So you can learn definitely DevOps. That's not a problem. Okay.
And one last question. How can I show my system admin skills and resume and use it as an advantage, since I don't have DevOps experience?
Total, how many years of experience you're having?
6 years.
So you have to break your experience. 3 years you should put it on AWS and DevOps. And remaining 3 years you put it as usual experience, Vinesh. Okay, this is the success formula. Many people are getting the jobs. Okay, recently one participant got job in Axis Bank data center. Okay, as a DevOps engineer. So this is this. You have to put 3 years. First, you have to learn AWS and then learn Azure. DevOps, and acquire the skills and put 3 years of experience. We have sample resumes. Pick up the points which you feel comfortable. Prepare the resumes and then post it to Naukri. If your subject is strong, whatever we are learning, if you're strong, believe me, you will clear the questions.
What kind of salary can we expect? Roughly.
6 years, right?
Yeah.
Close to 15 lakhs. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, very good.
Okay.
Good salary.
Good. So if you are happy with it, 15 lakhs you can quote. Okay.
Okay.
And one more point, it also depends upon the existing salary also. Okay. 30% to 40% you can expect a hike. And most important than the hike, you will enter into latest technology, right? Okay, which is very good in the market. So that's what.
But do you think this just DevOps training will be enough to work? Because we'll
AWS
be
is also right. AWS and DevOps both combination. You will work. You will understand it. Don't worry.
But we don't have real DevOps experience, so that's my fear. Once we join the company.
No problem. You will understand it. You can tackle it. Okay.
Okay.
Talk to our success stories. Shall I share you the numbers? Okay.
No, I trust you. I trust you.
You are in the group, right? Did you share my success story videos, 1-minute videos, and such kind of things? Did you watch?
No.
Huh?
It's on YouTube, right?
No. Not only YouTube. I think I have not shared it. I have shared it.
No,
I think I'll share it.
You are not.
People who are successfully shifted their technologies like Windows non-IT to people from non-IT go to DevOps. Vinesh. Okay, so don't worry. You can do it.
Okay.
Recent success story from UK, Vinesh. He got salary than more what he has salary. He got a double salary than what he got expected. Okay, good. Nice to talk to you.
Okay, thank you.
Keep learning. Thank you. Akash Goyal.
Hello.
Yes, Akash.
Yes, sir. I'm from.
You're sounding very dull. What happened today?
No. I'm from Haryana. I'm currently a student and doing masters from Australia.
Your current location is Australia now.
No, in India. I'm doing online studies because borders are closed.
Okay, because of COVID.
Yes, because.
So you're happy. You're happy staying in India, or you're not happy staying?
No.
You want to go to Australia as soon as possible?
Yes.
What is the reason?
Because I'm doing my online studies. I don't want to do online studies because I'm paying full fees for Australia. And
what's the problem with the online studies?
Because I want to explore the Australia. That's why.
That anyways you can do it after the studies also, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you don't like online studies?
No.
So that's the reason you're not liking AWS also.
No, not for the not.
AWS is also an online study, right?
No. In Australia, I am paying for the.
Okay. As you're paying huge fees, you want to experience the campus campus experience.
Yes, I'm paying for the campus fees but attending the online classes.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm looking for the job in Australia after completing my masters. So for what is better to go with AWS and anything else?
DevOps.
Yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
And one more. Okay.
Yes.
And one more question. While I'm creating an instance, and after that I click on the connect button, it shows that SSH agent is not installed.
SSH agent is not installed.
Yeah, we are unable to connect to your instance. SSM agent is not installed on your instance. It's showing this error.
No, we have seen it many instances, Akash. It is working fine, right?
Like when I connected with Putty, it's connecting, but when I connect, like click on the instance and connect, it shows that SSM agent is not installed on your instance.
No, it will not be the case. Send me the screenshot.
Okay, I will.
Did you try it in Google? What is it?
I don't get any answer as well.
The first important point is you should be comfortable working with Google. Okay. Self-learning is the best learning, Akash. Okay.
Yes.
Self-learning is the best learning. Troubleshooting ourselves is the best important skill set every IT industry should have. Okay.
Okay.
So I don't want to boast myself, but I have learned myself AWS only. I have never depended on any trainer. Okay. So best learning is self-learning is the best learning, and try to troubleshoot yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Send the screenshot on WhatsApp if possible.
Okay, I will send it.
Okay, somewhere you're doing a mistake. Okay, that's the reason you may get an error. Otherwise, you'll not get. If Akash, right from day one, we are creating a lot of. Did we get any such kind of error? Huh?
No.
But so somewhere you're doing a mistake. Okay.
I have tried many. I have tried many times, but it's showing the same error.
You are in which region? You're pointing to Mumbai region only, right?
Mumbai, yes.
And then you should be able to get it. You are selecting T2 micro instances, right?
Yes. The same.
You will get it. Security group. You are opening SSH port.
Yes. SSH and HTTP.
You will get it, Akash. No doubt on it.
Okay, I will send you a screenshot and
send it. And try copy this. Write the screenshot in the Google. Whatever the error message you're getting, type it in Google. Try to rectify it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Storm breaker. How are you doing, Storm breaker? I can see your hand raised. You are allowed to unmute now.
Hello, good evening, sir.
So you can break the storm?
Yes.
Huh?
Hello. No, sometimes.
Okay.
Good evening, sir. Actually, today I have listened your Linux class day 4.
Okay. DevOps.
Sorry, yeah, DevOps. Today is my first class, and I am so happy that it's like learning my. Already, I did my master's actually from UK.
So what's your current location?
It's Warangal, sir. Telangana district.
Currently you're in Warangal.
Yes, yes.
You completed your MS.
Yes, from London. So
Okay.
it's
How many
been
years of experience you're having?
Actually, after come from London in 2017, I did my master's and came back. So after that, I married and I am in maternity leave. So now, actually, I wanted to learn AWS and
You want to
DevOps.
get back to IT industry? That's your target.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can you please suggest me what I actually I don't know what is AWS other than Amazon Web Series. I don't know nothing because this is my first class, and just I finished my class at 4 o'clock. DevOps Linux 4th day. One of my cousin has recommended me to join a classes, and he said there is a very bright future on AWS and DevOps. So actually, I want to hear from you, sir. What you can ask me to.
So this AWS. This is the first class for you.
Yes.
You are on mute again. The storm breaker. Please unmute again.
Sorry. Can I know if you are newly to the AWS? Because
No,
this
first
is
point. No. Did you? Is this your first session on AWS? Again, you're.
Hello, sir.
Please don't mute. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes. Please go on.
Did you attend? This is the first session at 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock batch you're attending AWS?
Yes, sir. Yeah, this is the first class. Yes.
Okay. So first thing, what you have to do, anyways, you have started DevOps, right? At 4:30, you complete the DevOps, and then you have to learn both the skills at AWS also. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Learn both the courses, then you can try as a DevOps engineer role. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay.
How much?
Yeah, you're saying something. Your name again.
Sorry, sir. When the new batch is gonna start, sir? AWS.
After 10 days.
Okay, sir. Can I join in the class? Actually, I will learn these classes also.
You are in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir. I just joined for the DevOps.
In that DevOps group, you'll get the updates about AWS batch also.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Everyone is having their own stories. Sammy, how are you doing, Sammy?
I'm good. Hello.
Welcome to the session.
Thank you. I had a question. For someone who's unfamiliar, like this AWS, this is their first course and their first IT course in general. I wanted to start using CDK but I don't have any experience with any of the languages. So which one would you recommend learning first? Because I'm taking this course along with the Linux Plus course.
No, you are attending my AWS sessions right from day one. Agree?
It was like day 3, but yes.
Okay, you are able to understand all the AWS sessions now, isn't it?
Yes.
If you want to learn one programming language, agree? Isn't it?
Yep, to help me with AWS.
Okay, it's nothing like helping you to AWS. I recommend you to go for shell scripting. You will always shell scripting will be handy. You also planning to learn DevOps?
Yes, I wanted to go to big data after DevOps. But I didn't know if I had to do DevOps to do big data.
I have 2 recommendations. First, learn shell scripting, Sammy, and then followed with Python.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Sammy. Faizan Khan.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Faizan.
Hi. It was nice for your AWS class you take, sir.
Thank you.
I have a question regarding Keeper. As we download Keeper, we have 2 options are there.
Yeah,
And
you're right.
one is RSA and other is AD 25519, something like that. And by default, RSA is selected. So every time you have to select that RSA only.
Yeah. Take the default one RSA. The other one is not required. Okay.
Okay, sir. And my one more question is, sir, as I belong to mechanical field, and currently have 4 years of experience in quality department, and I want to switch to AWS.
Yeah.
So
You can do that. Learn AWS skills. If you want to switch to AWS, what we are
yes,
learning, Faizan, is AWS associate level. I hope you know it.
yes,
We are learning associate level. After this, there's one more level called professional level, advanced level.
yes, sir.
So you also complete this training course, and then you also learn advanced level, that is professional level training.
Okay,
I
sir.
do not provide professional level training. I only provide associate level training, which I'm doing it now. After this, please go for professional level training. There are some other institutes who are providing professional level training. So once you
Okay.
complete both professional level, then you can try for AWS engineering positions. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And one more question, sir. When we create a Linux machine and we create a web server, we give some command in that Linux machine like switch user
Bootstrap
and
scripts.
bootstrap scripts. So we have to learn that I have to learn that command because
Those are simple
I
commands,
don't.
right? Switching the user and installing the package.
Yes. So are there again some more commands that I have to learn, or
The
it will
more
be
you
only
command, the
one?
more the Linux commands you learn, that will be always good. Okay. Learn Linux. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Because,
Thank you.
as I am belong to non-IT field, so this will.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Spend some time learning Linux also.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Deepak Vishwakarma. Deepak. Balaji Chandran.
Hi, Sunil. How are
Hi
you?
Balaji. I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, Sunil. Yeah, thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you, Balaji.
So, yeah, I have a question on while creating groups, right? So, can we add more number of resources, right? It's not one group
You're
for
talking
one.
about IAM groups.
Yeah, IAM groups.
Okay. Okay.
In the groups, if you're adding S3 and EC2, can we add more than a couple of groups?
Policies.
Yeah,
You're
policies.
talking. We have
Yeah.
added S3 full access to one group. Means one group can have multiple policies. S3 full access and then EC2 full access. Okay. Like this, we can add a number of policies to the group. No problem. Or whoever will be joined in that group, he'll have all the policies which are attached to the group. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. And the session is very good. I did a practical last couple of years back. So it was like vague theoretical experience. I spent almost like 20 days.
Okay.
So I learned all the theoretical, but the practical sessions made me very easy. Sunil, it was very excellent.
Thank you, Balaji. If you're happy, please share it to your friend circle about our trainings and our institute to your friends or colleagues, whoever it is.
Sure. Yeah, I'll share it across. Initially, I have like AWS, it's a lot of concepts. That is the one thing which we are not able to remember until we do hands-on, right?
Yeah.
We cannot.
That's why Balaji always insists the participants to do some hands-on at the end of the session. I generally remind them to please do some hands-on. Only when you do hands-on, as you told, it will be. Otherwise, we forget, isn't it, Balaji?
Yes. You don't know what it is. Simply.
Yeah. After 1 month, if you recollect, it will be very difficult, isn't it?
Correct. Yeah.
And yes, thank you. I'm very happy with your feedback. But how do you happen to know? Is it through reference or is it through
One of
Facebook?
my friend they referred. They gave this URL WhatsApp group.
Okay.
So we joined via that.
Okay. You are happy with the training?
Yeah. I'm very happy. So I'm attending all the training sessions, and most of the time I raise hand, but I didn't get up.
That's the problem. That's the only problem here in this because of the volumes, because of more number of participants.
I see that.
Okay. And may I know your experience?
Yeah, I have 15 years of experience.
Okay.
I work in all Azure and Power BI, Tableau, and all those things.
Okay.
and
So you
SQL.
already are aware of Azure concepts.
Yeah, I am aware of it. I see the difference, what is there and what is here. So
you are able to
initially I
relate them,
learned-
right? Services and all
Yeah,
this.
initially I learned AWS, so only theoretical, not the practical. Then Azure was very friendly. Then now I learned AWS, right? So I'm almost like 70% now, which I feel
Wow.
it's totally, we have different lot of services here.
Yeah. And now the most important service is coming up, Balaji, VPC, the heart of all the services. Okay, that
Yeah,
is
virtual
very
private,
important.
yeah.
Virtual private cloud. So that's the heart of AWS. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy that service also. Thank you.
So are we covering the DevOps in this session too by the end of this?
No, this is exclusively AWS course, right, Balaji?
Oh,
Whatever we are
only
learning,
AWS.
this is exclusively AWS, and we have DevOps a separate batch.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, but thank you so much.
Thank you very much, and thank you for your feedback.
Have a good day.
Raghupati. Hi, Raghu.
Sunil. Hi, Sunil.
How are you
Hello.
doing?
Am I audible? I'm fine. You are a very good teacher. The
Thank
way you teach is fabulous. I have done AWS course before. I done this course for practice.
Okay, you have done completed AWS from other institute.
Yeah. No. From your. I done your course before.
Okay. You already have completed my old batch.
Yeah.
You are repeating one more time?
I am attending for practice.
For practice. Okay, very good.
So
please practice. Very important. Practice makes a lot of difference.
Simultaneously I am doing Stephen Marek course also.
That's what I already recommended. I think you remember. Please do Stephen Marek also.
Because of you, I can understand it's very good.
Yeah. Directly, if you attend Stephen Marek, it may be difficult, but now you can easily. Okay.
I have some technical questions. Can I ask?
Yeah. Please ask.
In auto scaling, so how to change increase volume to its normal size?
In auto scaling, we are adding the number of units, Raghupati, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah.
Assuming right now there are 3 units.
Okay.
Agree? When the 80% of CPU utilization is more, then what auto scaling will do? It will create a new EC2 machine, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what will be the hardware configuration of the EC2 machine? What will be the volume of this EC2 machine? What will be the memory of the EC2 machine? That you already have defined in the launch configuration.
Oh, yeah.
So as per the values you have mentioned in the launch configuration, the new EC2 machine gets created, isn't it? Yeah. Okay.
And the second question is in Stephen Marek course. In you teach there are 2 ways to log in AWS. It's console access one, and the second one is CLI. In his course, I get some SDK, software development kit. So what?
That's optional. So you can use CLI, whatever we have learned, Raghupati, using the access keys and the secret key. You can connect to CLI and whatever you can do it. SDK is different again. Okay. So don't worry about that.
Okay. So many times I have raised my hands just interact with you in AWS class.
Even I am feeling bad. I am unable to participate with many. Right now, here now also, there are many people who are raising their hands, still waiting for the request, waiting for the turn. That's the only draw. That's how we can go. It's like a okay.
In every batch, you can do one interact session.
Yeah. That's what I'm doing now, right? Okay.
Yeah.
One exclusive session for interaction. Even that is not even enough now. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Raghupati.
Thank you.
Ratna. Yeah.
Hi, Sunil.
Yes, Ratna. How are you doing?
Doing good, thank you.
How is your
Thank
learning
you so
experience?
much. I got the chance from after so many days from
Thank
both
you.
the classes. I've been trying to get
Okay.
one basic query. So this
Thank you.
my basic queries have been like a developer role. So I
How
want
many
to
years
know.
of experience you're having?
It's like I'm basically as a developer from past 14 years.
Okay, which platform?
Content management.
Okay, something like WordPress or something like that.
It's like finite content management.
Okay, yes. Yeah, tell me.
So actually, like how it will be helpful to for the developer this AWS associate level?
No, your question is how AWS help you in your current content
For a
management.
developer, not a content management, like as a developer, how for a developer how this associate level will help.
No,
It's
this does not help developers. Okay, developers will develop the application. The application will run on AWS. Okay, Ratna, developers will develop the application. That application finally leads the infrastructure to run. Okay, so it will, if the client wants that application to be running on AWS, then they will choose AWS. In such case, if a developer is having AWS exposure, that will be very helpful for him to manage their applications on AWS. Okay, in other way, if there are a lot of openings on AWS professionals who have exposure towards AWS skill sets, so that they help their clients to manage their infrastructure on AWS. So Ratna, if you're planning to shift, I recommend you, in case if you want to shift to AWS, then it is always good. Okay, leaving your
AWS
content
professional.
management.
AWS professional course you are saying.
What we are learning is AWS associate. Am I right?
Yes.
After this, there is one more course called AWS professional. That is one more advanced, little bit advanced than that whatever we are learning. Okay, so that's I recommend in case if you want to stick to core AWS. Let's say if you want to get into DevOps also, then this AWS course, whatever we are learning in combination of DevOps, will have a very good demand in the resume when you put it in the job market, Ratna. So in case if you're planning to shift, Ratna, you have universe, you're learning AWS now, followed with you learn DevOps, then you put your profile with 3 years of experience, then you will be entering into the DevOps platform. That's how you can migrate your existing technology to DevOps. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. That is the basic query I've been looking for.
Thank you, Sneha. Thank you, Ratna.
So much.
Abdul Wahid Khan. Purnima Chandran. I can see your hand raised. Purnima Chandran, you are now allowed to unmute and talk. Adarsh Sharma. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, Adarsh. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to talking to you.
Thank you, Adarsh. How many years of experience you are having from which location?
Yeah, sir. Actually, I'm from Pune, and I'm a fresher student in pass out in 21.
21. Very fresher. Okay.
And I'm looking.
Did you got the job?
No, sir. Actually, I'm looking for the job in cloud computing.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Learn this AWS. That will be definitely add value. And recently, you please mail me. There is a job opportunity in Bangalore. Okay. Others.
Yes,
You know DevOps?
No, sir. I don't know DevOps.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Still, but you please send your resume. Send your resume to this.
Sir. Okay.
There is a job opportunity in Bangalore for freshers. They need AWS and DevOps skill set. Okay. But you are not having DevOps, but you have AWS knowledge, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So whatever you have knowledge, you mention that in your skill set and then send it to me. You have my email address, right? Did you take a note of it?
Yeah.
So send it to me. I'll forward to HR. Others?
Okay. Yeah.
Anything more?
Yes, sir. I have a question. Actually, I am a BCA student, but my coding skills are not good.
You are which student?
I am BCA student. I'm IT background student.
Sorry, you are BCA or
Bachelor of
BTech?
Computer Application.
No. First point, others, are you BCA or BTech?
Yeah, BCA.
Oh, sorry. This opportunity is only for BTech. Okay, BTech or engineering candidates. Okay.
Okay.
That's okay. Send your resume. Let's try our luck. Okay.
Okay, sir. My question is, I am not good at coding.
Okay.
So it's AWS enough for me. And I don't
Learn
want to
learn
go in
DevOps
developer.
also. Because you're not good at coding, you don't want to go to developer track, then go to DevOps. Okay, DevOps, there's no much coding involved. Others, learn AWS. After this, also learn DevOps. There's less code, there's no code, less coding in DevOps. You don't need to worry about this.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Actually, sir, I have seen very much job, but there is no fresher opening in cloud computing.
There are. Did you learn both the skills and put it in your resume?
Okay. So it's mandatory to learn DevOps.
It's up to you. There's nothing called mandatory. Okay. You have to acquire the skills, right, others? If you want to get into IT industry, definitely you should have multiple skills. Okay. Is AWS mandatory? No. Okay, but still you're learning, right? It's up to us. How many skills you want to upgrade, it's always good. Especially in this competition. When a client wants to recruit a particular resource, he always looks for multiple skill sets.
Okay.
That's the reason.
Okay, sir. Actually, how I showcase my resume, and because I am a fresher and
you're a fresher, right? Don't worry. Whatever we are learning, please mention that in your skill sets. That's more than enough.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Sai Kiran.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Sai Kiran. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Hello, sir. Hello.
Hi, Sai Kiran. Yeah, tell me. I can hear you.
Hi, sir. I passed out at BSc MPCS, sir. 2021 pass out, sir. My cousin gave your references, sir. My cousin is working currently in HCL, sir. From you are running AWS and DevOps only, sir.
Sorry, your cousin working in?
HCL's company, sir. On AWS DevOps company only, sir.
On AWS DevOps platform, he's working in HCL Technologies.
Yes, sir.
Okay. He's my old student?
Yes, sir. Shravan.
I know it. I know him. Okay. He recommended you?
Yes, sir. I recommended, sir. He only given, sir.
I think he got job after this training.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, what do you want to do?
Okay, sir. I have passed out to BSc, sir. BSc to MPCS, sir. I want any it is possible to learn this course, sir.
Is it?
Is it possible, sir? This is to learn.
It is possible to learn courses and it is possible to get the job. First, acquire the skill sets. Okay.
Okay, sir. This much is enough, sir. This much is DevOps is enough, sir. AWS course. This much knowledge.
I recommend to learn DevOps also, Kiran. There's no limitation for the technology.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Shravan has done a lot of hard work. Okay, check with him.
Yes, sir.
Rahman. Habibur Rahman.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, Rahman.
Sir, I am from Karnool, AP.
Yeah, tell me.
I too completed BCom General as my degree, sir. 2021 batch.
Okay.
My friend, one of my friend has done Oracle BRM, sir. He's a developer.
Okay.
I too want to become developer, sir.
Okay.
What should I do next, sir?
This is not a developer track, Rahman. This is AWS, isn't it?
No, I want to go in AWS developer, sir. I want to become.
Okay, learn AWS. Okay. If you want to stick to AWS, after this, there's one more course I already have mentioned. There's one more course called professional level training. Okay, whatever we're learning is associate level. Okay. Next level of training is professional level. So please do that, Rahman.
Okay, sir. Sir, when will you meet, sir?
When?
When can we meet?
You are in Karnool. I am in Hyderabad. How can we meet?
If you will ask me, if you give your location, I will be tomorrow at your doorstep, sir.
It's not the case. We are planning for a meetup program this weekend. Not this weekend.
Yeah.
Sorry. Not this weekend. 27th or 28th. You'll get the
Okay.
update in the group.
Okay. Please make sure, sir. We
Alampalli Venkatesh Shiva Sai. Alampalli Venkatesh Shiva Sai. Milind Jadhav, how are you doing?
Hello.
Hi Milind, how are you doing?
Hello. 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 Good evening, sir.
How
I'm
are
fine.
you?
How are you?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
fine. How are you?
doing well.
Yeah. Thank you for giving me opportunity to ask you a question.
We already have discussed, I think, Milind once, isn't it?
No, sir. It's first time.
First time? Okay.
Yeah. Actually, sir, I want to ask. Suppose we have an EC2 instance, and the application is hosted on EC2 instance.
Okay.
So there is a log files are generated in one of
EC2
the
instance. You want that log files to be directed
so
to S3 bucket.
yeah.
Agree?
After end of yes, you are right.
Every day the log file should be diverted to S3 buckets.
Yeah. How can we do this automatically?
Using Lambda service, you can do that. Okay.
Okay. So the Lambda service is a part of the AWS training.
No. That is part of professional level training. Okay. And we are not
Okay,
covering
sir.
Lambda. Okay. Oh, it's already 6:30. Let's have a final call. Terence.
Well, good. Well, I can say good morning. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. How are you doing?
Good.
And you are from which location?
Calling from US.
Okay.
Yeah, one friend told me about your program, and I was able to join on the Zoom, but
Okay.
I wasn't able to join on the WhatsApp group because it was full.
Okay.
So I'm not getting your updates. I'm currently an Oracle database administrator, and I was thinking of a slight career shift into AWS. And
It's very important, because I hope you know the database is becoming autonomous. Agree? When database becomes autonomous, there's a lot of there is no requirement for database administrators in the coming future. So it's always good to migrate ourselves to these kind of latest technologies, cloud and DevOps, Terence. It's high time you have to upgrade your skill sets and just move to AWS and DevOps.
Yeah, so I want to start with AWS Solutions Architect and probably get into DevOps. So I'm not getting your updates because I wasn't able to join the WhatsApp group, and so.
Okay. Can you ping me to this number right now? This is a WhatsApp number. Terence?
Okay.
Ping me on WhatsApp to this number. Mention that you want to join the AWS. Okay. Or what I can do, I have a group link right now. I think so. How is your learning experience on AWS? Your comments on the training?
Given that I'm still full-time working, so I just got well, my friend who did AWS gave me a course on.
May I know your friend's name?
Gladys.
Okay. I think he's my old participant.
Yeah. So
did you get the link in the chat box? Terence, please check the chat box.
Okay, yes, I saw the chat box. Okay.
In the Zoom, you find the chat box.
Yes, I
have just posted a link in the chat box.
Okay. You can't join this group because it is full.
Okay. 1 minute, please. God. Okay. You ping me to this number. Okay.
Okay.
Or you best thing is to mail to this number, email to this email address. Okay, mention that you want to join the AWS WhatsApp group. Okay, so our team will respond to you with WhatsApp group joining link so that you can be the part of the WhatsApp group so that you get the updates. Or the other option is you can also ping me right now so that I can immediately respond to you, and then I'll make sure that you will be joining an available WhatsApp group.
Okay. Adding your number. As soon as I add your number, then I'll ping you.
Yes, please add my number and then you can ping me. Anything more?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day. One for final call. Ravi Kumar B. Ravi Kumar ready? I can see your hand raised. Rajesh Golla.
Hi, Sunil.
Hi Rajesh, how are you?
Fine, sir. Thank you for giving the opportunity.
Thank you.
Sir, I daily working with your classes. I have one doubt, sir. AWS is working mainly in CLI also. Is it?
AWS is working?
CLI.
Okay. Yeah, AWS we can work in CLI also. You're right.
Yeah, I installed the CLI tool. But it shows one error, sir. Is not recognized as an internal or external.
What is the command you are using to connect?
AWS CLI tool.
No, you have to command. You use the command AWS configure.
Yes. AWS configure.
This is the command you have to use. When you run this command, it will ask for access key, secret key. Okay.
Okay.
Then you have to provide the values. When you provide the values, you'll be connected. Rajesh, I have shown it, right?
Yeah. But
before running this command, you have to install one software, AWS CLI tool.
Yes. I installed that software, sir.
Whenever you install the software successfully under control, under add or remove programs, you'll find it.
Okay. But on command prompt, I written AWS configure. Hello.
So this is the tool you need to have. AWS command line interface version 2 is the tool that should be installed on your personal laptop. Rajesh.
Yeah, yes, sir.
This is the tool you have to install. Then when you install it, then open the command prompt.
Okay.
And use the command AWS configure.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And I have one more doubt, sir. While I am learning that AWS and DevOps, is it necessary for certification?
Certification is not mandatory. It's an optional one. Okay.
Okay. Actually, I have 5 years experience in non-IT.
Okay. You can get into IT by learning both the courses.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for the interaction. There's still many more participants waiting for the interaction. So if time permits, we'll have one more interaction. And anyways, we'll have a get-together meeting planning for next week in Hyderabad. And as usual, you will not have sessions on Saturday, Sunday. No session tomorrow, no session day after tomorrow. The next session on Monday, where we will be continuing the concepts of VPC. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much.